Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the message that contains the file you want removed. Click the email in your inbox or open the draft. Attachments appear as thumbnails or file names below the subject. Once done, make sure you can view the attachment controls. On desktop, look for an X or trash icon next to the file. On mobile, tap the attachment to reveal options. Doing this ensures you're modifying the correct message rather than downloading or forwarding the attachment by mistake. You now remove the file. Click the small X or trash icon beside the attachment on desktop, or tap the attachment and choose Remove on mobile. Once you click, Gmail may ask for confirmation. Accept it to detach the file from the message while retaining the email text. If the attachment is an inline image in a draft, open the message's three-dot menu and select Remove or Delete Image. This detaches it without deleting other content. These steps prevent leaving orphan files attached unintentionally. Finally, save your changes and verify the attachment is gone. If you edited a draft, click Save or close the Compose window and confirm the draft updates. If you removed an attachment from a sent message, note that recipients keep their copies. Once done, reopen the message to double-check no file remains. If the attachment persists, reload Gmail, clear browser cache, or try the mobile app. If that fails, copy the message text into a new draft and send without the attachment as a workaround.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.